Okay, so today is today is day one of integrating for 1,000 days. Now I don't know if I'm gonna be able to commit to this idea, but I'm starting it off to see where it goes. So to start off, we're gonna do a very simple integral today. So we're gonna integrate x. Now I'm gonna try teaching along with when I'm trying to solve it. So to solve the integral of x, you have to use the power rule for integration. Let me find another marker. Okay. So the power rule for integration is x raised to the power n, which is any number, is equal to x raised to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, of course. So now to integrate x dx, first you're gonna have to think how you can use that over here. Okay, so everyone knows x is just integration of x to the power 1. Okay, so you can utilize this formula over here. So you get x to the power dx, and n here is equal to 1. So now you just have to substitute this. So this becomes x raised to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, which if you do becomes x squared by 2 plus c. Okay, so we can try and reverse engineering this answer to get the original answer. So integration is just reverse differentiation. So if you take, I'll just show x squared by 2 plus c, and you derivate this. Okay, so y is equal to x squared plus by 2 plus c, and if you just derivate this with respect to x, you get dy by dx is equal to x squared, which is just 2x by 2, and a constant's derivative is always 0, so plus 0. So 2 and 2 cancels out and you get x, which is the original integral we started with. So what you have to do when you face functions like this with just a power is that you have to use this formula. X raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. That's what we did here. With x raised to the power 1 is x squared by 2 plus c, which is the constant. And for the fun fact, I'm going to try explaining what the constant does here. So when we have a function like this, we can of course differentiate this and get the answer. But since the derivative of constants are always 0, that's why we add a plus c, because this is reverse differentiation. So when we do get the answer for this can either be x squared by 2, x squared by 2 plus 1, x squared by 2 plus 3, any number, because that derivative will always be 0. So we can put a minus c here either. So you can put a plus or minus c at the end. So that is going to be the first integral we solve, and I hope that over the next 1,000 days we're going to solve many more and we're going to learn a lot of stuff. Yeah. And also we're going to have a teddy bear. This is Bozo, he's going to be joining me. This is Thalalero plushie I got off of Temu. So yes, the next 1,000 days should be fun. Alright, bye bye.